Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is purely a channel so that I can showcase how I'm getting on with practicing my drawing skills and the fundamentals of art, which is basically drawing and getting all the proportions correct so that you can then go on to further kind of like drawing, more in-depth drawings or sketches or painting. This is just like the first stages of getting that process down, but I wanted to show you my process of getting good techniques and proportions and the structure of the drawings. So each day I do 5 minutes of drawings each day, as I said, and this is the first one for today. I get my drawings or the references for the drawings off of the internet purely for a reference, so I can see different type of face shapes and just different ways of people pose their bodies, or ethnicity, or male or female, or anything like that. So this is the lovely Rihanna, which you might not be able to tell because of how I've drawn it, but hopefully you can see some sort of reference to her. The first one, as I said, is the first one of the day. Tends to be not the greatest, but in this case it was that one that wasn't the greatest in my opinion. But the first one was good speed, which I kept the speed going, which is 4 minutes per drawing, so that you can get the speed down and you can get on with it, and basically so that you can actually get a drawing, basically so that you can get the drawing completed in a really realistic time frame, and you can get on with the next method, which might be painting or charcoal or whatever. So good speeds. The layout and the proportions were actually correct. She was kind of turning her body or her neck around. As you can see, her arm is there and the rest of her body is actually there. That's her chest here and the collarbones here. So layout and proportions are correct, and I used an observational and a gestural method, which you can kind of see from the gestural strokes of the hair. Second one wasn't the greatest. I find sometimes the first one is the best drawn out the first and the second one. I don't know why, maybe it's just my hands warming up, but again, good speed. The nose wasn't quite in proportion for the rest of the face, although it was in proportion to the mouth, which don't ask me what happened there. But in the hair, I didn't quite capture the hair, but I used the observational, gestural and geometric methods for that one. The fourth one I really quite liked. The third one I actually feel as if I captured her a bit more in this one. It was good speed, geometric, gestural and observational methods again. I used percentages for my personal use, so this one was 70% and the layout and the proportions were correct. You can see here that the neck was pulled as she was turning her head around, and you can see the chest and the arm and the kind of tucks of the skin for the arms here, and the hair was flowing correctly that way, and I got her nose and her lovely mouth. So yeah, that's the first one of the day, and I'm going to be posting more videos like this to showcase my learning of the fundamentals of art and my progress. I hope you enjoy the channel and the videos. Bye!